Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year to every one of you. So today is my first day of uploading a video in 2021, and I pray this 2021 is going to be a year of blessing for each of every one of us. Today I'm going to be making some weight loss tea. This weight loss tea is very good and can help you to reduce some of your belly fat. Here are the few ingredients. We'll be using some lemon, ginger, and cinnamon. I'm going to be using 500 ml of water. I'll be using some honey for the sweetener. If you want, you can use honey. If you don't want, you can take it like that. So guys, continue watching and I will see you in the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and set the notification bell icon to all. That will notify you anytime I upload a new video. And please, you can share it to your friends and family. I love you all guys, and I will see you again in my next video with another delicious recipe. Bye bye.